Welcome back, dear students. In previous video we discussed the types of company. Let's take new topic, procedure of formation of company. In the procedure of formation of company, first step is promotion. Promotion of company is the first stage in the formation of a company. It involves conceiving a business opportunity and taking an initiative to form a company so that the particular shape can be given to exploiting the available business opportunity. In promotion, first comes the idea of promotion of a company. The idea of promotion comes in the mind of promoters first. By conducting proper research, he implements the proper promotion of a company. In order to implement a research or to place a new product in the market, promotion is the brainchild of the promoters. Promoters also wants to promote an innovative idea for the promotion of the company so the product can be more successful in the market. Next is primary and detailed investigation. After having an idea of promotion of company, the promoter has to undertake business oriented empirical scrutiny and scanning in the direction of implementation of the promotion strategy. Selection for business, location of the business, profitability of the business are to be evaluated before launching a product. Third is mobilization of resources. Promoter has to enter into contract to obtain land, raw material, machinery and services, etc. And these resources should be more mobile and should be collectively in use for the production of the new product. And the mobilization of resources are necessary for the implementation of promotion. Next is financial arrangement. Every business activity requires funds. The promoters have to estimate the fund requirements for the identification of the business opportunity. If they require more capital, so the newly established company raises capital through the shares. In the procedure to obtain certificate of incorporation, first is memorandum of association. Memorandum of Association clause confirms that shareholders bound by the MOA are willingly associating and forming a company. You require 7 members to sign a MOA for a public company and not less than 2 people for a Memorandum of Association of a private company. In Memorandum of Association, first clause is name clause. A public company with limited liability by the share has to insert the word limited, and a private company with limited liability by share has to insert word private limited at the end of its name. Company cannot adopt a name which resembles that of other company registered in India or which is detrimental to national interest. Next clause is address of registered office clause. A registered office is the official address of an incorporated company, association or any other legal entity. Generally, it will form part of the public record and is required in most countries where the registered organization or legal entity is incorporated. Next clause is object clause. An object clause is a provision in a company's constitution stating the purpose and range of activities for which the company is carried on. Next clause is liability clause. A limitation of liability clause stipulates that a party will be obligated to pay to the other in such an event under the term of an agreement. Next is capital clause. Authorized capital of the company and its division among the share of the fixed value is stated in this clause. Next is association clause. Minimum 7 members in public company and minimum 2 members in a private company have to give a statement with their signature stating that they desire to establish a company. Next step is Articles of Association. Articles of Association form a document that specifies the regulations for a company's operations and defines the company's purpose. The document lays out how tasks are to be accomplished within the organization, including the process for appointing directors and the handling of financial records. Next step is written consent of directors or written agreement of directors. Those persons whose names are mentioned as directors have to give a written consent that they are ready to work as a director in this company. Next step is declaration of interest in other company. If the directors of company, manager, secretary or subscriber have interest in other company have to file a statement regarding this. Next step is statement of fulfillment of provisions of the law. The statement in a prescribed form is to be registered before the registrar of companies stating that all the above legal provisions have been fulfilled for the incorporation of company. Necessary registration fees are to be paid along with the above document. After the scrutiny of the above document, the registrar of companies record in the book of companies. If the documents are found satisfactory, the registrar issues a certificate of incorporation. Here we have completed the chapter. Just revise the chapter and go through the video. Dear students, write all the short answer questions and brief answer questions and detailed answer of the questions given in your textbook exercise. And this is your homework for this chapter. Thank you.